Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a workflow in monday.com. In order to do that, first of all, you have to log in into your account. First, open the monday.com and sign in. If you don't have an account, you can just simply click on this sign up button from here. As you can see, I have already signed in. So, uh, as you can see here, just simply click on this button. From here you have to click on the sign up, or you can just sign up with the Google. Just simply click on the sign up and it will take you to your gmail.com. So simply click on the Gmail, it will automatically sign in. After that, you have to create a new workflow. To begin, let's create a new workspace. On the left side bar over here, you can see there is a name called workspace. Just simply click over here, and from here you can see there is a option called add workplace. Just simply click over here, and now you have to give workspace name workplace first. This is a random name. Just click. If you want to make this uh, workplace private or privacy, every team member in the account can join. If this is open, if this is closed, it, available for enterprise only. So just simply click on the open and add, click on the add workspace. Now over here you have to see if the like if you want to start from scratch, you can just simply click on the add new board. Now if you want to use templates, you can just simply click on this start from a template. I will just simply click on the from start template. Now from here you can just simply search. For example, I want to manage finance of my uh, project. Over here I can see there is a template, finance habit tracker. Just simply click and use this template. So it will create your template board, so you don't need to create from scratch. So if your needs are like, if you want to create from scratch, you can do that. Now once the board is created, you will see different columns like task name, status, successful, and the other things. As you can see here, no dining out, item, the update budget, you will get to see. You can customize this as well if you want. For example, if you want to change this, you can change as well. So this is the good thing, you can do that. And you can assign it to a team member by clicking on the person. For example, click on this people, and over here you can just add, or by searching, you can add by searching the names or roles or teams as well, or you can invite via email as well. And you can organize with group as well. If you need to manage multiple projects within the same board, create a group. For example, have one group for a week and the second group is for second week. For example, I have a June group and the July group. Now I can create a new group as well from August 1. So this is the thing you can do as well. Now that's it. You have now created a basic workflow in monday.com. You can manage your projects by organizing tasks, assigning team members, and tracking progress with different views. If you found this video helpful, then like to this video and subscribe to the channel.